Hey everybody, welcome back to my garden. So today I wanted to bring you along as I'm planting this Japanese maple here in my back garden. This is a Rhode Island red Japanese maple, so it's one that is quite a bit on the smaller side. It maxes out at about 6 feet at maturity, so it will only ever kind of hit the top of the fence line here. So I think it's a really good option for this back bed. There's not a ton of space. This bed is only 3 or 4 feet wide right now. Eventually I am planning on widening it out to about 6 or 8 feet. So I think that this Japanese maple will be the perfect backdrop for some other shrubs and perennials to go in front of it. But for now, I think it will look fantastic against this blue fence. This variety is known for its really deep red foliage in the spring and summer, and then in the fall it turns a bright reddish orange color. And you can see the stems are kind of a deep red, and that color will hold all winter long. So this is kind of a year-round interest plant, and so I think it will be the perfect fit for this back garden. And then on either side, I have a pair of hostas that are just starting to break dormancy, and then a hydrangea macrophylla a little bit off to my left. That hydrangea isn't doing so great, so it will probably get pulled this year. But I am planning on going back in with some other perennials and stuff kind of in the front and around it eventually. But this is just the first start to doing a whole new garden in this area. So anyway, I'm going to get this guy planted, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, so I got the maple all planted. I used a few handfuls of this Espoma Biotone starter fertilizer when I was planting it. That will just help make sure the roots get established and that it does well. You can see that this spot is pretty deeply shaded. It'll get a few hours of direct sun a day, but not a ton. So I think that this Japanese maple will do really well here. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.